building a spinning spacecraft is hard. So what if instead of rotating the ship, we just rotate the people? These are 12 steps towards creating artificial gravity, and this is number 9, spinning people. Okay, the idea is that you build a small centrifuge using a rotating bed or a chair inside of a normal spacecraft. Astronauts would then spend an hour or two each day inside it, feeling the pull of artificial gravity. Then they'd float free again for the rest of their work. Now, the physics here is the same as the rotating spacecraft. Acceleration equals angular velocity squared times the radius. But when the radius is only 2 or 3 meters, that means spinning much faster to get the same effect. At those scales, you need several rotations per minute to make even partial gravity. That small size brings side effects. The acceleration isn't uniform. Your feet further from the center feel a stronger pull than your head, and the result is a steep gradient, maybe 2 or 3 G at the feet and then less than 1 at the head. And at first it would feel really strange. Blood shifts oddly, balance signals might clash. But experiments on Earth show that people actually adapt pretty quickly. The brain learns a new normal. Now, the real question is whether short daily sessions are enough to keep the body healthy. Ground studies suggest that they might be. An hour or two a day at higher G-forces can protect bone density, muscle mass, and cardiovascular function almost as well as continuous gravity. Now, in the late 2000s, engineers even proposed flying one of these on the ISS, a human centrifuge where astronauts could pedal a cycle ergometer while they're spinning. Now, it was cancelled, mostly because of vibration. Pushing on the pedals while rotating would shake the station's structure in unpredictable ways. But new commercial stations are planning for this from the start, with centrifuge models built into their designs. So we may finally test artificial gravity properly in orbit within the next decade. But before we make it up into the sky, we have to test this stuff here on Earth in 1G. How do we do that? Well, you kind of need to go to bed. But that's for the next episode. Stay nerdy.